Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Jain. This is Harsh here. Let me, sir, start off by trying to contextualize what these numbers indicate. Typically, you've seen around 200 to 220 crore in terms of your top line, at least last couple of years. This year, Q2 top line has been closer to 250 crore. What's led to that surge? Give us a sense first to start off with.
Yeah, good afternoon. So, even in our earlier con call also, we have given the guidance of 10 to 15% for this financial year, and we are moving in line with our guidance. And basically, the factors behind this was increase in the consumption spending, more of because of income tax cuts, GST cuts, and other factors, even the low inflation. So that has boosted the spending. And that is why we have indicated in our con call also that we intend to grow 10 to 15% in this financial year.
All right, and because third quarter is a seasonally strong quarter for you, what is your outlook when it comes to the third quarter, and any new categories that you're looking to expand into?
Uh, Going forward in this season, we are very optimistic. The reason is already I have mentioned. And another reason is that we have a very good wedding season also in November. And the categories which we are focusing is basically all our existing categories plus our athleisure wear rocket and our home textile range. So all the categories are contributing in the increase in the sales. And we are very optimistic that there is every chance that we may improve our guidance also once we end this quarter as the sales have been good.
Right. Mr. Jain, this, which is Q3, is seasonally your strongest quarter and by a mile. Trying to understand what's in store when you're looking at the next 2 to 3 years. Are you trying to, in some form, fashion, try and diversify your business, try and make it more equitable across quarters, or will Q3 always be the strongest quarter?
See, let us view this in this way that earlier the winter contributor used to be 100%, and last few years it has came down to 60, and this year it should be 54, 46. 54 would be contributed by winter, and 46 would be summers. So we are becoming almost equal in our winter and summer range. So going forward, I think it will become 50-50 in next 1 or 2 years. So that is giving us confidence that so we are operating in all the 4 quarters and the sales have been increasing quarter by quarter.
Impact of GST rationalization that you're expecting in this Q3 versus last year?
Yes, definitely. The GST cut has definitely helped as it has boosted the spending. And of course, the low inflation and the income tax reduction, which happened, few months back, that also has helped us for boosting the consumption.
What does this change of mix in terms of quarterly performance do to your margins, sir? Give us a sense.
Margins, sir, I think already we have indicated that we should be around 200 basis point plus as compared to last financial year. And the raw material is very stabilized, but there have been increase in the prices. So that will help us improving the margin in this financial year.
FY21, 22, 23 margins were roughly 20%. What's been the cause of those falling towards the 14, 17, 16% kind of number? Give us a sense.
I think there were two reasons for that. One was that the end of season sales used to start very early because of online have started sales. And second reason is that people are tending to buy in discounts. So that is why the margins have fallen. But we have taken some actions on this. And because of that, we see that this year there should be a jump of around 200 basis point. And next year also we see an improvement in margins going forward. And we expect that we should be the range where we were operating in 21, 22, as you rightly mentioned, in next 2 to 3 years.
Okay, and what will your export guidance be? I believe you were also looking to expand and open more stores. What will your guidance be over here?
Yeah, we are not into exports much, so that is not any contribution from exports. But yes, the store guidance is around 45 to 50, which we guided earlier also, and we maintain the guidance.
Okay.
45 to 50 stores in this financial year.
Okay, we'll let you go on that note. Thank you so much for coming in and speaking with us. Asian Paint numbers, viewers, flashing on your screen. 994 crore is